If your sprinkler system is leaving dead spots in the lawn or spraying water onto your sidewalk, driveway, or house, you might not need to replace the sprinkler. You may just need a different nozzle. So before my dead spots get worse, I'm replacing mine with a 17-foot throw because it's not reaching this area. And here's how easy it is to swap one out. First, pull the sprinkler riser up and hold it in place. Twist the nozzle counterclockwise to remove it, then pull out the little filter screen underneath. You can find professional grade replacement nozzles like this online for about $1 each, so this is a pretty inexpensive fix. Drop the new filter screen into the riser and hand tighten the new nozzle clockwise. Now turn the irrigation zone on. Adjust the riser so the marked edge lines up with the area you want to water, then use the adjustment ring on top to change the spray pattern. They typically adjust from a small stream all the way up to 360-degree coverage. Make small adjustments until the water is covering the grass without spraying areas that you don't need, and that's it. Sometimes fixing a dry spot or stopping wasted water is as simple as installing the right sprinkler nozzle. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns.